Good morning, Ayushi. Good morning, Ayushi. Ayushi, can you hear me? Ayushi, am I audible to you? Hello, children, can you hear me? Hamad, am I audible to you? Kids, am I audible to you? Can you hear me? Hamad, Ayushi, Utkarsh. Children, can you hear me? Utkarsh, Ayushi. Children, am I audible to you? Can you hear me? Lakshya.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
I'm speaking from such a long time. People are not responding. I thought I may not be able, like I may not be audible or something like that.
Ma'am, we are going to complete our chapter.
Yeah, like today we will be
Good morning,
finishing
ma'am.
the chapter. Only 3 questions are left.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ibad. Good morning, Lakshya. Good morning, Suryansh. Good morning, each and everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So children, first of all, the children who have not sent me the previous work, right? Which means the work which we have done yesterday. If any one of you has not completed that, I think Hamad wouldn't have been done that.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
In the class.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Good morning, Daksh. Good morning, Suryansh. So children, please
Yes, ma'am.
complete your work, right? Okay, if you like do those questions like E and F, like E1, D and E1, in case you do not understand any of them, I am here right here. You can ask me. Okay. And for the others, let's begin with question number F. Shall we, children?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am. I'm asking.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am.
Hold on,
Ma'am, I am writing
Can I tell
question.
answer?
Hold on,
Ma'am,
everyone.
can I tell answer?
Krishna and Utkarsh, you know, this is not the way we respond in a class. No, how are you supposed to let me know that you know the answer? By just raising your hand, right?
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
Okay, you can raise your hand, and if I have to ask, then I'll ask you people. Okay, shouting in the class doesn't make it look any good. Okay, right, Krishna?
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Good. And don't turn your videos off. Please keep your videos on, children. It feels as if I'm teaching all these DPs only, no children. Good. Today I can see good number of students. Sukhsej, you were not present in the class yesterday. Lakshya, you were also not there in the last lecture. The children who were not there in the last lecture, for their information, we have completed question number E as well. Right, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
So children, you are supposed to complete it right now. Ibad, I think you were also not there in the last lecture. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So please complete these questions. Complete your work e-answer. In case you're not able to understand any question, any answer you do not know, you can ask me. Otherwise, if you know the answers, then please start writing the answers. Okay. And now we're going to
Ma'am.
yes, Daksh was asking something. Speak, Daksh.
Ma'am, I have raised the hand for to telling the answer.
Okay, fine. So yes, the first question is explain how rural and urban settlements are complementary to each other. Before we begin with the question, I would like to ask you, what do you mean by the term complementary? Yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, similar.
Not similar. They complement each other means they help each other, right? They're not similar. You can say that they're dependent
Okay,
on
ma'am.
each other somewhat. Okay. So yes, first point will be answered by Utkarsh. Utkarsh, give me 1 point. How do you think urban and rural settlements are complementary to each other?
The villages provide the supply of food, grains, fruit, vegetable, milk, and daily laborers to the town.
Okay, correct. Next point, yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, for that the villagers people come to job in urban settlements.
Like yes,
Urban settlement provide
first of all,
non-agriculture activities.
let me tell you how are you going to write the answer. First, you will write rural and urban settlements are complementary to each other in the following ways, right? First point will be the one which Utkarsha has told us. Second point will be the one which Daksha told us that yes, the rural laborers come to urban settlements into looking for jobs. Yes, Krishna, do you have any further point to tell us?
Ma'am, you have said maximum 4 points will be there in long.
See, children, I have already told you that if we are talking about 50 to 70 words, then always remember the 50 to 70 words questions come as 3 marks question in exam, and the 80 to 100 word questions comes as either 4 or 5 marks question in exam. Okay, so while you will be writing the answers in your notebook, you'll be writing in the same manner, considering 50 to 70 words as 3 marks questions and 80 to 100 words as 4 mark questions. Okay, so Krishna, can you tell me any more points to be added in question number
Ma'am,
one?
I have written in paragraph.
What point? Like in paragraph also you must have written something. No, what have you written? Tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell answer full?
Yes, tell me.
Rural and urban settlements are complementary to each other because in rural settlements, the majority of people are engaged in primary activities like agriculture, mining, fishing. The raw material produced by such primary activities are used in secondary activity in urban area such as manufacturing and trading. Village provide food, grains, fruit, vegetables as well as supply for labor force to cities.
Fair enough, your answer is also correct. But again, like I have already told you, I prefer if you people will write the answer in points, right? You have written in paragraph, that's also correct. Not wrong. Your answer is also correct. Anyone else would like to add some points to the answer? Yes, Sushant, do you have something to say?
May I?
Sushant Khare. Why not, Sushant? Why not? I want my class to be like that. If I ask any child the answer, everybody must be ready with the answers.
Ma'am, I have 1 point.
Yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, rural settlement have the low population density, whereas urban settlement have high population density.
Density. Yeah, but then it doesn't relate to the complement part. Okay. So yes, you can add, you can take points from the answer which Krishna has told us. First, we can write that yes.
May I tell 1 point?
Yes, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, the town supply industrial goods that are required in villages.
Very good. The town supply industrial goods that are required in villages. Perfect. Right? So will you be able to write this answer now?
Ma'am.
Hurry up since it's a long one. Now we will on to two answers. First you complete one answer, then we'll discuss the other one. Okay? You'll complete and send it to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hurry up.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and children like Ibad, send me your e-question quickly. Ibad, Suryansh, Ayushi, Hamad, Lakshya, Sukhsehaj, and Jasmine. You people are supposed to send me your DNA answers, which I'm not
It is a
checking.
done it is a done what I cheap and right and account for 18% in the trade. According to
Hurry up, kids.
Ma'am, first point we can write they provide, they supply water.
Water?
And food grains, milk,
Okay.
vegetables.
See, this is a paragraph from where you can get the answer. The first point there you can write that the villages provide supply of food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, and daily laborers to the towns. Second point, the towns supply industrial goods that are required in the villages. Third point, people from villages come to the towns for employment opportunities and also for educational, medical, and entertainment facilities. These are the 4 points that you can write. Okay. Krishna, if you have done, you can send it up.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Got the answer. Very easy.
Okay, done.
Ma'am, I have sent it. Ma'am, I have sent.
I haven't received yet. Let me see. Ashika Yadav.
Can you tell the fourth point?
These 3 points only you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Krishna, he has done his work. Good, Krishna.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Krishna is missing school or not?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we discuss the next answer, children?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Please wait.
Okay, fine. So Shant, some work was left yesterday. Have you completed that?
Yes, ma'am.
But you haven't sent that
Ma'am, I have completed that at night.
at night, not in night.
Yeah, I will send it today. All the work.
Okay.
Ma'am, my last point is left, ma'am. Then I will say.
Okay. Jasmine,
Yes, ma'am.
send your work beta of question number D. Have you completed question number D and E, Jasmine?
Ma'am, sent.
Very good, Utkarsh. Jasmine, bacha, have you done question number D and E?
No, ma'am.
Beta, complete that then.
I will complete it today and I will send you.
Okay, then right now you can do the E part then. Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Jasmine.
Ma'am, I have written second one answer.
Very good. What about Ayushi and Hamad? Ayushi, is your work completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and checked as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, wonderful. Hamad, what about you, beta? Hamad and Lakshya?
I'm doing.
Lakshya, E part is done and checked. Question number E. Let me know, bacha. Can you send a PDF of the question? Done. Hamad, I will not send you the PDF of the questions are done, Hamad, because I want you to write the answers by yourself. Okay. I am always your one text away. You ask me, I'll just send you. Okay. I have not sent the answers of anyone. If you are not in a condition to write that, then I'll send. Okay. Yes, Lakshya. What about you, beta? Your E part is done. Tell me quickly, Lakshya.
I'm doing.
Your voice is coming very low. I'm not able to hear you. Louder, please.
I will do.
You will do. Then please complete that. Suryansh, what's
Okay.
your scenario? Suryansh, beta. Suryansh and Ebad, hurry up, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Please. Yes.
Ebad,
Wait a minute.
Ebad has sent. Ebad, what about the other work? Previous
Yes,
work.
ma'am. I am sending. Ma'am, I am sending.
Okay, fine. Yes, children. So let's discuss the second question. The second question, write a note on ocean transport. I think the answer is
Can I?
directly given. Right?
May I?
No,
Can
this
I?
answer will be given by Sushant. Now Sushant will tell us the answer. Sushant, hurry up. Tell us the answer.
Write a short note on ocean transport. Ocean transport is the cheapest means of carrying heavy and bulky goods from one continent to another. International trade is largely dependent on ocean routes. The important ocean routes are North America, the North Atlantic route. It connects eastern part of North America with Western Europe. The Mediterranean Suez Indian Ocean route. It is a sea route connecting Europe with East Africa, South Asia, Australia, and Far East. The Cape of Good Hope route. It links Western Europe and the West African countries. The Panama Canal route. It connects the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. The South Atlantic route. It connects Western Europe with eastern part of South America.
Okay, like his answer is correct, children. Right? Again, I would say the same thing. That please try to frame it into your own language. Okay. And Daksh,
Excuse me,
beta.
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I
Excuse
tell?
me, ma'am.
Yes, Daksh.
It can be like this also. It can be continued like this also. Some of the important ports of the world are New York, Los
Yes,
Angeles,
yes. You can write
London,
it. Like you can write 4
Rio
to
de
5 points. This is 80 to 100 words. You can
Janeiro,
easily write 4
Tokyo,
to
and
5
Hong Kong.
points. Yes, yes, Daksh. Daksh saying something?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell?
it is compulsory to write it connects that routes that it connects.
See, it's not compulsory to mention that. You shouldn't take any 5 points, right? It depends upon you. Yes, Krishna, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, I have written in this one, ma'am, answer.
Yes, please tell.
Ocean transport is the transport of people, passengers, or good cargo via waterways. It is a transport by water cheaper than transport by air. It transport account for roughly 18% of international trade according to UN stated in 2020. It is more suitable for carrying heavy and bulky goods. It is an existing routes like rivers and seas.
Good, fine. But it doesn't feel that you have read the book and write the answer. So where have you written the answer?
Ma'am, what?
Have you written the answer with the help of the
Ma'am,
book?
ma'am, the first, ma'am, that one, ma'am, answer. It is in ma'am transfer 80% or roughly, ma'am. I have said, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, this one tell my ma'am, mama.
Fine. Okay, Daksh. I have one thing for you. Listen to me very carefully. As you know, we are struggling with the handwriting problem. So what can you do, Daksh, to make your work look neater? After writing question, when you write the answer, no, Daksh, please leave one line after that as well. Okay, Daksh?
Okay, ma'am.
And similarly, when you're writing the answer in points, leave one line after each point. So that will look a bit neater. Okay? My dear friends.
Ma'am sent.
Checking with the 10 children are present in the classroom. Good, Krishna. Good, Shashank.
Ma'am, next question is very easy.
That's very easy, right? Lakshmi, I'm waiting for your work. Suryansh, yours as well. Jasmine, if you're doing these answers, then at least send me these only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Suryansh, for responding.
Ma'am, the third one is very funny. Route.
Funny.
Yes, ma'am, the Cape of Good Hope route.
Okay. Children, who was the first person to reach India, to discover India?
Ma'am, what?
Who discovered Vasco da Gama? Through which route did he come?
Ma'am, 1489.
Ma'am, North Atlantic route.
I'm asking which route did he take?
Ma'am, North Atlantic route.
And Christopher Columbus?
Ma'am, the Mediterranean Sea, Indian Ocean.
I think Vasco da Gama took the Cape of Good Hope. That route.
Yes, ma'am.
Goa. Sir. Ma'am, done.
Then send.
Ma'am, this chapter was very easy.
Exactly. Let's finish it off. And the next chapter which we are going to start will be
History.
chapter number 8, religious ideas in the medieval period. Easy chapter. Okay.
Ma'am, how many chapters are left for annual syllabus?
See, for annual syllabus in history, we are left with 2 chapters. That's religious ideas in the medieval period and rise of autonomous states in 18th century. Right? In geography, we are left with only 1 chapter. That's life in tropical and subtropical regions. And in civics, we are left with advertising, market around us, and survival equality. That's 3 chapters again. But these chapters are
we
quite
have, ma'am.
easy. Hanji?
Ma'am, we have lot of syllabus left.
We have lots of syllabus left, but we have to rush up now. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And we will.
Yeah, because these chapters are easy. If we talk about advertising, Very easy chapter. Market
Ma'am, we have learned.
market around us, again very easy chapter. Right? Striving equality.
Ma'am, in market around us, we have some terms learned in chapter 6 of history.
Market around us is very easy chapter. It's just about the markets we
Ma'am,
have.
your
the
voice is
wholesale,
not coming.
retail.
Hello, ma'am.
Hanji, Daksh.
Hello.
Yes, Daksh. Daksh, I can hear
Hello,
you.
ma'am.
I can hear you, Daksh. Speak up.
Your voice was not coming.
You're now saying something.
I'm saying that, ma'am, of chapter 10, the market around us, we learned some terms in chapter 6 of history.
Yeah. We did.
Ma'am, again, your voice is not coming.
I don't know, maybe it's a network glitch. So children, if you people have done the second one, shall we discuss the third one as well and wrap it up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write about the various means of communication available to us. This will be answered to us by Ayushi. Yes, Ms. Sharma? Ayushi?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in this answer, we will write what is communication also.
Yeah, you can write that. You can always begin like that.
And can we write answer?
Ayushi, are you going to tell us the answer? Ayushi?
And please check my second answer.
Checking better. Sorry. Jasmine, will you tell us the answer better? What should you tell?
About the mean.
Okay, ma'am. Communication is of two types: personal and mass communication. Personal communication is used between two people or when a few people are involved. The means of personal communication includes post office, telegraph, teleprinter, telephone, fax, and email. Mass communication means of communication with several people at a time. This means of mass communication include book, magazine, newspaper, radio, television, and films.
Right, perfect, I think so.
This paragraph full.
Entire, right. And no, you are not going to copy the paragraph right like that. You need to take out
In
the
our
important
own
points from
language.
that. Yeah, and write it in your own language. And hurry up, send me your work.
I have sent. So, ma'am, from Monday we will start begin with chapter 8.
I will begin history. Now we'll keep a target to complete 2 chapters in 1 week. We have to do it anyhow. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am, because syllabus is
ma'am.
not very
Yes.
much clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And ma'am, few days are left.
Yes. Krishna, send in your work, beta. The third answer. If you have done it.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, in personal communication, we can write example, mobile, computer.
Computer is also kind of personal, no? Communication.
Ma'am, send.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, we have 10 minutes.
Your answer is very short, though.
Ma'am, because ma'am, this one is ma'am, question ma'am is very easy, ma'am.
No,
So
but
I
you need to
already
explain
answered.
it, no matter if it has come under, like, what if the question comes to like this question only comes in a paper as under answer in for 4 marks, then you cannot write this much only, no? If this
Ma'am,
question has
can
come
I
from,
add? Ma'am, can I add ma'am things?
yes, right? So if it has come under 4 marks, then how can you write? I'm telling you that. First, you can write what is communication. Then you can write communication. Like now we have two means of communication, which is personal and mass communication. Then you'll explain what is personal communication. Give its example. Explain what's mass communication. Give its example. Then the answer, the content which you are writing will be of around 4 marks. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, book one full paragraph.
Yeah. Good, Evan.
Ma'am, today's weather is not fit for airways.
It is no, it's fine today. It's not way too foggy today. A little bit sunshine is there, so in this weather they can travel. No, I say so they will not be able to travel a lot. When it's dense fog, like way too much, yeah, then it gets difficult.
Ma'am, but it is, ma'am, fog.
Yeah, maybe it might be near your side. No, at my side it's kind of sunny.
Ma'am, done.
Well done. Send it to me. And please, Daksh, beta, please work on your handwriting.
Ma'am, sent.
Checking it. Good, Daksh. Utkarsh, send in your work, Sushant. Jasmine. Krishna.
Ma'am, sending in 1 minute.
Send it. Athar, beta, will you send in your work or not? Tell me in chat only. Are you gonna do your work or not? Athar?
When done sending.
Let me-
I sent.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I send my second and third answer together in a PDF?
Yes, you can. You can send it in picture as well. Send it in picture format only, not in PDF. Good, Krishna.
Thank
Children,
you.
please keep learning as you have n number of chapters for the exam. So, beta, please start preparing yourself from now onwards only. Okay. Do not keep things pending. Okay, kids? Hurry up, children. Children, there's one thing which I like to give you as homework. Like you saw, we have made the flow chart. Okay. I request you people to make a flow chart on settlements, on one on transport, and one on communication. These three flow charts people are going to make and send them to me in the group.
Ma'am, I have not made
Ma'am,
on
in
communication.
which-
I've made on this that you've sent on D group 2-3 days
That
before.
too, I only sent, no? You
Ma'am,
will-
I have sent the answer.
I'm checking that. That's good. You have sent like that too. I made you do like that. I helped you to make it. Now you have to
Ma'am,
make
we have
flow
to make
charts.
them.
You will make flow.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Petra.
What we have to make?
Flow chart. The one which I sent, like I sent you the flow chart of settlements. Similarly, you will make a flow chart of transport and communication as well, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Then
we can
settlement
transport.
also.
Ma'am, first we can write the transport, then roadways, railways, like
Exactly.
Ma'am, settlement also.
Statement that I have only told you how to make, right? And I hope you
ma'am
people
has
have
sent.
made that. I hope people have made that. In
Yes,
the
ma'am,
group.
I make.